Okay, so here it is, the Braum harness bar installed. Let's take a bit of a closer look here. So pretty easy install. Let's get up here. Bolts right to the upper seatbelt bolt right here, which is a 16 mil. You pop that out, you put the first anchor on, and I just hand tighten these bolts in while I was getting this thing in order. So I had this one in the harness bar just hanging down. Then I did the same procedure on the other side and got it in loose and just had it hang there. And then I put in both the adjustable support braces here, and it goes down to the lower mount of the seatbelt adjuster. That's a T50 hex bolt. And then it comes, the Braum kit gives you a smaller spacer. The spacer on this one is pretty large, so they provide you with one that's about half the diameter of that one, half the width. And then it just bolts right in. Torque everything down. There's a bolt in here, bolt here, and this thing is super sturdy. This thing is totally in, and both of these things have full adjustment as well, and they have solid bushings, which is pretty cool. So you retain your normal 3-point harness, then you're able to thread in 5-point or 6-point harness, whatever you want. So yeah, easy install. We're going to throw in the racing seat and then the harnesses. Let's see how that goes. So all in all, great product from Braum thus far. Great packaging. Everything looks really nice. No paint was chipped. Packaging was very, very good. I would highly recommend the Braum harness bar if you're looking to do so in your BMW E36 or numerous other vehicles that it's available for. So thanks again for watching, everybody. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you like the videos, and give me a comment. I'm happy to reply. Thanks, guys. See you.